Hello everyone, I am Ramya. Now I am going to explain some fundamental topics in JavaScript. First, we'll look into the variables. Here, I can declare the variables using the var keyword, const keyword and let keyword. I have declared here name as Alice, age 19, country India. So when I try to print console.log name, it will print Alice and age 19 and country India. Next, arrays. Here we can access multiple fruits in using a single variable of same data type. So when I try to print console.log fruits, then it will print all the fruits present in this fruits variable. Next, in arrays, indexing starts from 0 and when I print console.log fruits of 0, it will print apple. In arrays, if I try to push an element, then the element is added to the fruits array. Now if I print console.log fruits, it will print all the elements like apple, banana, mango, orange and guava. Now coming to the functions. Here we call a function passing a parameter. For example, here I named a function called greet and used a parameter username. In this I have written hello plus username. So if I call this function and passed a parameter Alice, it will print hello Alice. Same another example. Here the parameters are a and b and I have written a plus b, so it will print the sum of these two parameters that I have passed when calling this. So it will print 16. And here in objects, it will have key value pairs. The keys are name, age, country, and we can also have a function, and the values contain the data. So when I try to print console.log person.name, it will print Ramya, and if I print person.greet, it will print hi, I am. This dot name refers to this name Ramya, and from this dot country refers to India. Hi, I am Ramya from India. Next, coming to the loops. I is a variable and I am iterating this loop from 0 to fruits.length. So it will complete all the fruits present in this fruits array. So if I print fruits I plus 1, fruits of I, it will print fruit 1 apple, fruit 2 banana, fruit 3 mango. In that way it will print all the elements present in that fruits array. And coming to conditional statements, here we will have if block, if else block and else block. In this we will have condition in the brackets present after if the condition in this brackets is true, then only it will enter into the if block. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then it will enter into the else if block. If this condition is false, then it will enter into the else block. Here we used a logical statement, and that means the condition should be true for age is greater than or equal to 13 and age is less than 18. Then only the condition becomes true. In this way we'll have fundamental topics in JavaScript. Now we'll look into the Node.js and NPM.js. First we will check whether Node.js is installed in our laptop or not. Yes, it is installed. Node.js means it is a compiler that runs the JavaScript. We can run the JavaScript even in the web browser, but to make our codes to run better, we'll use Node.js. Next, in to install packages, first we'll look how Node.js works. First we'll create a file called hello.js. Here we'll use .js extension. I have created a simple file console.log hello. So now if I try to print this, I have to use node filename.js. Yes, hello is printed. Now coming to the packages, we have npm packages. We'll check whether it is installed or not. Yes, it is installed. We'll download node and also npm from the web browsers, and we can install our specified packages. Like now here we'll use for Telegram chatbot, we'll install npm install node telegram bot API. From that we will create a Telegram chatbot, and we'll see that in the next video. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Ramya. In this video I am going to explain how I created my Telegram chatbot. First we have to install Telegram web in our laptop, or we can connect it from our mobile phones. Then we have to search here for bot father. Then we have to start the conversation. We have to start the conversation with the bot father. Then we have to type new bot. Then we have to give a username for our new bot. Then it will provide a token. We have to copy this token, and in Visual Studio Code or any file, we have to write any code regarding the JavaScript, and we have to use this token here. So I have taken is prime or not JavaScript program. So now I am going to run this file where I have used this token. I have saved this as hello java.js. In command prompt, node hello java.js. The file has run. Now I have to go to the board that I have created, and here I have to give any number. Then it will give whether that number is prime or not. In this way I have created a new Telegram chatbot. API means application programming interface. For example, if we go to a restaurant, we order some food. For example, we are the user and we look into the menu and call the waiter. Waiter is for example the API, and the waiter goes to the kitchen and tells our food item. And for example, the kitchen is the server, but we don't directly go into the kitchen and tell what food we want. So the API is the messenger between the user and the server. The API provides the information that we want. For example, here I have installed Telegram bot API. Similarly, in our day-to-day applications, in our weather app, we use the weather API key. So this is about API. Thank you.